Good afternoon and welcome to Courtroom Chronicles, Trials of South Africa, and happy Monday. So, an uncle is wanted for attempted murder of a 9-year-old nephew. Police in KwaZulu-Natal are urgently seeking Ustuduzo Mavundla, 29, in connection with the attempted murder of his 9-year-old nephew. The incident happened on the 4th of January 2024 in Paula area, Chesterville. The boy went to visit his grandfather when Ustuduzo allegedly lured him into the bushes under the pretense of buying him snacks. There, Ustuduzo reportedly told the boy he wanted to show his father what he was made of, and then strangled and stabbed him in the face, leaving him for dead. Miraculously, the boy regained consciousness and crawled to the road where passerbys rushed him to the hospital. Meanwhile, Ustuduzo reportedly convinced his mother to report the boy missing at Ketomena police station. Studuzo was arrested but later released on bail and has never appeared in court. A warrant of arrest was issued in September 2024 and he remains at large. Anyone with information is urged to contact Investigating Officer Captain Ndlovu at 082 411 5609 or Crime Stop Hotline 08600 10111. Authorities warn Ustuduzo Mavundla is dangerous. If you see him or know his whereabouts, please contact the police immediately. With that being said, I will see you in the next one. God bless you and ciao.